Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Insights. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to send Ethereum, ETH, anonymously in 2025. With privacy becoming more crucial in the crypto world, this guide will help you protect your transactions while staying on the right side of the rules. Let's dive in. First things first, why bother with anonymous ETH sends? Blockchain transactions are public by default, meaning anyone can trace your wallet activity. But in 2025, advanced tools make it easier to add a veil of privacy without breaking a sweat. Step 1. Start with a privacy-focused wallet. Options like Tornado Cash or the latest mixers, such as those integrated with Ethereum's upgraded protocols, let you mix your funds with others. This scrambles the trail, making it tough for snoopers to follow your money. Next, amp up your security with a VPN or Tor browser. These tools hide your IP address, ensuring your location stays under wraps during transactions. Remember, always use reputable services to avoid shady providers that might compromise your anonymity. Step 3. Skip KYC-heavy exchanges. Opt for decentralized platforms where you can swap or send ETH without verifying your identity. But here's a word of caution: while anonymity is great, it's not invisible. Regulators are stepping up, so stay ethical and legal to avoid potential headaches. Finally, before hitting send, double-check everything. Test small amounts first and keep an eye on evolving 2025 tech, like zero-knowledge proofs, which could enhance privacy even more. There you have it. Simple steps to send ETH anonymously. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.